touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
So, good afternoon, sir. This is my report on my notes. AC motors and generators. AC motors. AC motors are electrical motors driven by alternating current. AC, they are widely used in industrial, commercial, and residential applications due to their simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. So, the AC motor pala ay nag-driven ng alternating current at to simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. Construction of AC motors. Number 1. Stator. Core. Made by laminated steel sheets of reduced eddy current losses, forming a hollow cylindrical weldings, coils, or insulated wires placed in the slot of the stator core connected to the AC power supply. The arrangement of this welding determines the number of poles and types of motor. So, ang stator pala made of thick steel sheets of prevent energy loss. Ang weldings coil of wiring operate a magnetic field when electricity flows through them. Rotor. 4. Unlimited cylindrical structure mounted on a shaft similar to a stator core to minimize eddy current losses. The rotor is rotating part inside the motor. Type of rotor. Spiral gauge rotor consists of convective bores, usually made of aluminum or copper short circuit by end rings at both ends. This type of commonly used in induction motors. So, ang type sa motors, duha type sa motors. Aerial cage made of metal bars and rings, simple and durable. Wood rotor has windings similar to the stator welding connected to slip rings on the shaft. This type is used in wood rotor or slip ring induction motors. So ang wood motor has coil of wire connected to slip ring allows to speed control. Shaft. A metal rod on which the rotor is mounted. It extends out of the motor to connect to the mechanical loads. So, the shaft is a metal rod that spins and transfer power to the machine. Bearings support the rotor to allow it to rotate smoothly. Bearings are placed at the end of the motor's housing to reduce friction between the rotating shaft and stationary parts. So, ang bearings pala ay help to the shaft spinning smoothly with less friction. And 5. End covers, also known as the end bills or end shield. They are cover the ends of the motor house that bearings are provide structural support and protection for internal component. So the end covers they pala protected the ends of the motor to hold the bearings. So sila siya pala ang nag 5. Cooling system ensure the motor operate within safe temperature limit. This can be include fans rotated on the rotor shaft, cooling fins of the rotor motor housing or more advanced cooling method in the large motors. Cooling system pala ay fans or fins to keep the motor from overheating. Housing the outer casing that encloses the protective and protects the internal component of motor is also held to heat dissipation. House the housing outstand that protect everything inside. Permanent management asynchronous motor operation. Magnetic field that stator windings create a rotating magnetic field when connected to any AC supply. Asynchronous rotation. The rotors lock onto the rotating magnetic field and rotates at the same speed. Synchronous speed. No slip. Unlike the induction motors, there is no slip, meaning that rotor speed is always synchronized with stator field. Application. Permanent Management Asynchronous Motor (PMPS). PMSPM using application require high efficiency and precision such as robotics, electric vehicle and HVAC system. Advanced advanced advantages: high efficiency, very efficient in converting electrical energy to mechanical energy. Number 2, precise speed control. Maintain a constant speed irrespective of load variation. 3, compact size, smaller and lighter compared to induction motor of a same power rating. 4, high power density, sustainable of high performance application. Disadvantages: 1, cost, more expensive due to the use of permanent magnets. Mas mahal ang mga palitunon bilihin. Complex control, require sophisticated automated control systems such as inverters or drives. 3. Demagnetization risk. Permanent magnet can lose their magnetism if exposed to high temperature or condition. So, kapag nainitan pala, magkakause pala ang magnet na hindi na dikit. Square cage induction motors. Operation: magnetic field generation. When AC voltage is applied to the stator winding and produce a rotating magnetic field. Induced current in rotor. The rotating magnetic field induces current in the rotor bars due to electromagnetic induction. This field pushes electricity through the rotor bars, making it turn. Torque production. The interaction between the magnetic field and the induced current generated torque, causing the rotor to rotate. The rotor spins slightly slower than the magnetic field. This is normal needed to create force. Synchronous operation. The rotor never reaches the speed of the rotating magnetic field. Synchronous speed due to a slip, which is necessary to torque production. Application: squirrel cage induction motor, widely used in industrial applications such as pumps, fans, compressor, and conveyors due to its robustness and low maintenance. Sectional motor and induction motors. So, ito pala yung synchronous motor o induction motors. Construction and completed, not self-starting source and quad for rotor excitation. Universal motor. So, the universal motor is special because it can run on both AC and DC power. It runs at very high speed and is usually found at home appliances like vacuum cleaner, blender, and power tools. Thank you.